Two men arrested and charged in connection with an alleged Independence Day mass shooting attempt, and we were in court with them in federal court in Richmond today. 8 News reporter Olivia Jakewith was inside the courtroom today. Olivia, what can you tell us?
Well, Eric, both of those suspects actually ended up waiving their right to a detention hearing. That basically means they'll just be in the custody of U.S. Marshals until both of these cases run their course. Now, one of those suspects was also arraigned today, and he's looking up to 2 years behind bars, as well as a maximum fine of $250,000 if convicted. 2 men named by Richmond police as suspects in an alleged mass shooting plot appearing before a federal judge today. This video taken at their last state hearing, as cameras were not allowed in the courtrooms today. Guatemalan nationals Rolman, Balacarcel and Julio Alvarado-Dubon to remain in custody of the U.S. Marshals after waiving their right to a detention hearing this afternoon. That can happen when someone is accused of a violent crime or has been convicted multiple times before. For now, Balacarcel is charged with illegal re-entry, having already been deported twice. But during a second court appearance this afternoon, he pled not guilty, calling for a jury trial instead. Alvarado is charged with gun possession by an unlawful alien.
I think that there is evidence to support the potential for a shooting.
In Manchester, attorney Clinton Seal represented the Commonwealth in the suspect's last state appearance. It all started with allegations from Richmond police saying an anonymous tip led them to prevent a mass shooting by these suspects on Independence Day at Dogwood Dell, something Chief Gerald Smith was questioned about again yesterday.
We are closing all discussion about the planned 4th of July mass shooting. The matter is now in the hands of the federal government.
Now, jury selection for Balacarcel's trial will be held in the fall, the judge saying only vaccinated jurors will be chosen. That trial, which attorneys expect to only take 1 day, is scheduled for October 7th. For now, live in Richmond, Olivia Jakewith, 8 News.